Hi, my name is Kirk Parsley, aka Doc Parsley. The Charlie Keating Foundation was started by the parents of a Navy SEAL who was killed in Iraq in 2016. Their foundation sets for itself the goal of helping out active duty SEALs and their families. Charlie Keating's Foundation has a ranch. It's a respite for families, for active duty families, but they help facilitate people getting the help that they need, whatever struggles that the families may be having. ChiliPAD is going to donate a new or refurbished ChiliPAD to the C4 Ranch for the families when they come and stay there. For every ChiliPAD that somebody buys using my discount code, not only are you doing a great thing for yourself by improving your sleep, but you're also doing a great thing for an organization that's near and dear to my heart for my brother and their families.